This video is for Royal Heating Corp. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. On the home page, you should have more than 1500 words because the Google like content, and you see here is not enough content. And also need to be correct keywords, and the pictures need to be saved in a right way. As you see here, we see numbers. If except of these numbers, it will be like keywords, it will be better for you to rank on Google. So the second thing I want to talk about is a citation. If you go here on Google, we can see the Google guaranteed ads. Then we can see ads here that we used to see already. And in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers. So now it's 50-50. Some people can see, some people can't. So, and then here we can see map pack. And what a citation is actually essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there, it would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed. And you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well, but you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has. You want to get that they have, and you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. As you see, is Yelp. We can see here expertise, home advisors. Also here, yeah, right there. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had send you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So when looking of these tools, it's called Ahrefs here, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 36 referring domains that brings you 464 backlinks, and you are getting found for 62 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 53 people on average on your site each month. Just to see to show you one of your competitors here, see they have 826 referring domains that give them more than 4,000 backlinks, and which getting them found for more than 7,000 keywords, and out of keywords they have more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. So all of these numbers could be boosted. It's very doable, and we specialize in this. And so that's pretty much it, what I hat, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again and have a great day.